ordering. I'm really starving. Before I eat, let me tell a story to you. Are you ready to listen to it? But the title is The Four Friends. Ooh. Do you know who is the four friends? Let's see. A deer, a mouse, and a crow were very good friends. So, a deer, a mouse, and a crow were friends. They said four friends in the title, but only three here have. Let's go to the next page. One day, while taking a walk, they met a tortoise. The tortoise also became their friend. Oh, I know now. They have three friends. The deer and the mouse and the crow have three, but they met the tortoise, so we became friends. So have four friends. So the title said four friends. Okay, one day the four friends were out enjoying themselves. Suddenly, they saw a hunter coming towards them. Oh, the hunter gonna catch them. They had to run. The crow flew away. The mouse ran into a hole. The deer ran into the forest. But the slow tortoise was caught. Oh no! The hunter catch the tortoise. Oh no! What are they gonna do? Let's see what are they gonna do. The three friends made a plan to save the tortoise. The deer lay down on the hunter's path, pretending to be dead. Oh, they have a plan. But what plan is it? Seeing the deer, the hunter decided to catch it too, leaving the tortoise tied up. He rushed towards the deer. Hunter kept running to catch the deer, leaving the tortoise on the ground. The mouse quickly ran up to the tortoise and cut the netting. Meanwhile, when the hunter got close to the deer, the crow kept. Oh, I understand the plan. Do you understand the plan, you guys? Hearing the crow, the deer sprang up and ran away. The hunter rushed back to the tortoise. Oh, I understand the story, you guys. But he too had crawled away. The moral is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. You have to help each other. Okay? It's very good to help each other. Bye everybody. Thank you for watching my video. And welcome to Meshnee channels. Bye. Subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell notification, and share my videos. Bye!